Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. First, begin by sketching a basic rectangular shape for the car's body. This initial outline helps establish the overall length and width. Next, lightly mark the wheelbase and the general height of the roof. These foundational lines are crucial for maintaining accurate proportions throughout your drawing. Now, let's add some of the Evolution's defining features. Carefully draw the aggressive front grille and the sharp, angular headlights. Don't forget the prominent hood vents, which are a signature element. Then, sketch the strong lines of the front and rear bumpers, along with the side skirts and flared wheel arches. Moving on, focus on the wheels and aerodynamic components. Precisely draw the circular wheel wells and then add the intricate details of the rims. Next, incorporate the large, functional rear spoiler, a hallmark of the Lancer Evolution. Also, sketch the side mirrors and begin to refine the overall body lines, ensuring a dynamic and powerful stance. For the final touches, carefully erase any unnecessary construction lines, cleaning up the entire drawing. Now, apply shading to give your Evolution depth and a three-dimensional look, paying attention to light sources. Finally, add smaller details such as door handles, fuel caps, and any subtle body creases to complete your impressive drawing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.